Welcome everybody, I am very glad to present our project MooFind. Now, let me tell you what it's all about. As many as you know, disease outbreaks in livestock are a major socioeconomic threat that result in production loss and disruption of local markets, rural economy, and international trade. All around the world, due to COVID, lockdowns and social distancing have suspended or delayed veterinary visits, negatively impacting on animal health. On top of that, overgrazing of cattle has a huge impact on the fields, affecting the soil health and deteriorating its quality, impacting the environment as a whole. MooFind is a system that integrates a collar worn by a cattle, which combined with remote sensing data that monitors the animal health and improves livestock and field management. MooFind allows to monitor the animal health parameters and the position, helping the farmer to know the well-being, the exact location, and the best areas to grazing for the cattle. The collar is comfortable for the animal, and the platform user-friendly for the farmer, and it represents a saving cost. The system ensures sustainable practices for the field, and the wide connectivity allows working in remote places. But how does it work? Using Copernicus technology, we designed a smart grazing system to identify where the healthy and nutritious pastures for the cattle are found, and to guarantee that pasturing practices are not biodegrading the environment. The farmer can use this information to bring their cattle to a specific region where the pastures are healthy and let the others time to regrow. The farmer makes sure that the animal remains in the selected area, thanks to geofencing due to GNSS. This method ensures a rotational grazing and improves the soil quality and the ecosystem. These data are sent to a cloud and controlled from a user-friendly application, so farmers have real-time information on each animal on the platform and receive alerts if there is any issue with one of them. MooFind ensures a regenerative agriculture practice, and several studies have shown specific benefits. Prevent outbreaks in the economy, improve animal health and organic soil, restore land and water systems, increase biodiversity, and reduce carbon footprints. So our project is between the stages of the concept idea and the prototype. These would be the next steps: customer validation, including a veterinarian in our team, product development, pilot, technical feasibility, and finally, client acquisitions. What we're looking for is incubation, access to funding programs, and the prototype development. Thank you very much.
Candice, what do you think of the solutions presented? Do you have one solution that you like most and where you would invest in?
Yes. Sure, absolutely. So the one that I like the most is Moo. So MooFind. And the reason that I liked it is because I really feel that it is addressing a problem that, agriculture people who have livestock really need, and will bring them immediate help.
Amanda, is this something that ESA could support somehow?
Yeah, potentially. I mean, in the Incubed program, we get pitched multiple times a week, as you can imagine, across multiple countries that have subscribed to our program. So we see agriculture as a real growth area, not to put a pun in there, but I mean, in these pitches, I think what I see is that for a good pitch, you have to actually think about what is in it for the customer to actually buy into your concept. So you have to think in terms of so features tell, but benefits sell. So what is in it for me as a potential investor, because ESA would be potentially investing in your concept, and so having lots of diagrams about how the thing's set up. This is a kind of a feature. This tells me about the thing, but a benefit is actually telling me is selling me the concept. So if we invest in this particular system, then in fact, and some of the pitches mention benefits. So, for example, example, 20% or 40% reduction in water, 60% reduction in fertilizers. If this can be translated into money that is saved at the farmer level, I think that this is much more powerful than a lot of different block diagrams. I also was missing sometimes with some of the pictures exactly what the product was. There was a lot of details and arrows and including of satellites, but I didn't know exactly what they were bringing to the farmers. I liked the particular case of MooFind. This was something that was very clear to me. But from a farmer point of view, does that mean that I have to keep putting the collars on the cattle, and as the cattle grows, do I have to change the collar? If the collar gets damaged, what happens? So for me, yeah, there's a practical issue there rather than just.
Dear Space Awards participants, experts, and of course space enthusiasts. It is a pleasure for me to announce that the winner of Copernicus Masters Lithuania is Roger Sanchez Guel for the idea called MooFind. Congrats!